fanfare. What is that? It looks so fun. Can I join? 做冇？你知唔知點去廣交會啊？Where should I go? Seems like they're confused, like me. When you don't know where to go, follow the crowd. They will lead you somewhere. After the security check, finally I got in. There are several exhibition halls connected to each other. Actually, it's very hot outside, around 30 degrees. So much better inside. There's a huge board at the entrance. Alright, let's walk around and see what's fun. Oh, opening show. Okay, no more show. Where should I start? How about massage chair? Can I have this card? It's so cute! The staff gave me this booklet, so let's take a look. Oh, some of the robots already working out there. It's pretty common to see this kind of robot cleaner in the airport, high-speed train station, bank, or other public places in China. As you might heard from the news, we're facing the aging society problems, and it will get worse in the future. So the robot could be a good solution for that. Are you guys selling driverless bus here? What's this? What company are you from? Ah, okay, found it. Let's look for something more traditional. For me, the most surprising fact is that 3 years ago, before COVID, it's still pretty weird to see foreigners speak fluent Mandarin on the street. But now, I feel like almost half of the foreigners in the exhibition hall can understand and speak good Mandarin. I know Mandarin is getting popular, but it's still out of my expectation. If your phone battery is low, you can rent a power bank here. My battery is okay, but my stomach is not okay. I'm hungry. As a Chinese, I have to say, the food court here is just fine. There's not a lot of choices and a little bit more expensive than the restaurant outside. But it would take you a long time to go out to eat, then go back to the exhibition hall. So if you are going to stay in the exhibition hall for the whole day, it's not practical to eat your lunch outside. So, how's the outside look like? Wait, let me take you there. The Pazhou Exhibition Hall is by the river, so you can take a ferry here to Hong Kong and Macau. It would take you around 2 hours. 보이다. 와, 啲車喺入邊啊！ Take the ferry here and take the tram there. You can buy the ticket here. You can pay by cash, WeChat, or Alipay. Instead of buying a ticket here, being a local, I always pay with the public transport card in my phone. I do have a physical transport card, but I lost it in my apartment and couldn't find it. Alright, our train is here. This tram goes along the Pearl River, which can take you to the Canton Fair Complex, Party Pier, Liede Bridge, and Canton Tower. The pattern on the tram is 木棉花 in Mandarin and 木棉花 in Cantonese, which is the flower of Guangzhou City. This is how it looks like on the tree, and this is how it looks like in the soup.
Nice.
Okay, no more flower soup. Let's get to the party pier. You should come here at night. Even though the ice cream is expensive based on my life experience in Guangzhou, but I still want to try it. The ice cream tastes like a regular ice cream in a regular ice cream shop. So I will give it a 7 out of 10. Oh no, it's overpriced. So I will give it a 6 out of 10. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you're watching this video at daytime, then have a good day. If you're watching this video at night, then let the Canton Tower say. Don't forget to like my video. I will see you in the next video.